Hello dear students, let's see how to solve addition of fractions with equal denominators. Now see how to solve problem set 20. Look at the first example, 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. These are the like fractions. When the denominators are equal, they are called like fraction. And we can add like fractions. Only add the numerators and keep the denominators same. So how to write? Let's see here. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. They are the equal, they are like fractions because their denominators are equal. So give them the common denominator, as both have the same denominator. Make them together and give the common denominator. So write like this, 1 plus 3 upon 5. Instead of giving separate denominators, as they are having the same denominator, give them the common denominator and then add only numerators. 1 plus 3, 4. And 4 upon 5, this is the answer. Like this way only you can add all the like fractions. Add only numerators. See the second example. 2 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7. Again they have the same denominator, means they are like fractions. And addition of like fraction is very simple. Just give them the equal denominator, common denominator, and add the numerators. 2 plus 4 upon 7 and 2 plus 4, 6 and upon 7. So 6 upon 7 is the answer. Let's move for the next problem. Look here, third problem. 7 upon 12 plus 2 upon 12. Again they are like fractions as their denominators are same. Give them the common denominator. 7 plus 12, 9, and the same denominator, 9 upon 12. Then fourth one, 2 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. Their denominators are equal. So as usual, give them the common denominator. Write 2 plus 7 upon 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 means 1 only. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. When numerator and denominator are equal, value of that fraction is 1. 1 means whole, remember. Next sum, 3 upon 15 plus 4 upon 15. As their denominators are equal, they are like fractions. Give them the common denominator. 3 plus 4 upon 15. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 upon 15 is the answer. Let's see the next problem. Problem number 6. 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Here 3 fractions are given, but all have the same denominator. It means they are like fractions. And for like fraction, the addition is very simple. Just add their numerators and write the same denominator. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 upon 7. This is the answer of the sixth problem. Let's see the seventh one. 2 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10. Here also addition of 3 fractions have the equal denominator, means they are like fractions. So add their numerators, 2 plus 4 plus 3, and give the common denominator here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer? 9 upon 10. Let's see the 8th example. 4 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. As their denominators are equal, give them the common denominator. 4 plus 1, 5, and the common denominator, that is 9. 5 upon 9. Got it? How to solve? Look at the 9th example. 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. As they are like fractions, give them the common denominator. Write 5 plus 3 upon 8. 5 plus 3, 8 upon 8. And I have already told you, when numerator and denominator are same, the value of such fraction is 1, and 1 means whole. Got it? All the additions of like fractions. This much simple. Let's see the word problems. See here. Mother gave 3 upon 8 of one gawa to Meena and 2 upon 8 of the gawa to Geeta. What part of the gawa did she give them all together? You know it very well. Whenever you read the problem and see that all together, it indicates it is a sum of fraction, because together how much gawa mother gave to these two girls, Meena and Geeta, that we want to find out. So simple addition of fractions. So write like this way: 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. As they are like fractions, means have the equal denominator, give them the common denominator and add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5 upon 8. So mother gave 5 upon 8 gawa to Meena and Geeta. See the next word problem. The girls of 5th cleaned 3 upon 4 of a field, while the boys cleaned 1 upon 4. What part of the field was cleaned altogether? Here also we have to add 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Like fractions, so add the numerators and give the common denominator. 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. And as I have told you, when the numerator and denominator are same, the fraction is equal to 1, and 1 means whole. The answer is 1. It means what? Boys and girls of standard 5th have cleaned the whole field, the complete field, total field. Got it? Now we see the next problem set, subtraction of like fractions. It is same how we have solved practice set 20, the same way, only what is the difference? There we have added the fractions, here we have to do the subtraction. So let's see the first problem. 5 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. Look at the problem. Both have the common denominator. They are like fractions. So subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1 upon 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 upon 7. So this is the answer of first problem. Let's see the second problem. 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. They are like fractions, so give them the common denominator and subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 upon 8. Next sum, third one. 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. As usual, having the common same denominator, so give them the common denominator and subtract the numerators. It means 7 minus 2 upon 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 upon 9. Let's move towards the fourth sum. 8 upon 11 minus 5 upon 11. As their denominators are equal, give them the common denominator and subtract the numerators. 8 minus 5 upon 11. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 upon 11 is the answer. And one most important thing, while doing the addition and subtraction of the like fractions, You have to remember, do the addition and subtraction of only numerators. There is no change in the denominator. Denominator remains same. And don't forget to write the denominator in your answer. That is the complete answer, 3 upon 11. Hurriedly what happens, sometimes students are writing only 8 minus 5, 3 and they forget to write 11. So their answer goes wrong. So remember, this is the most important thing. Never forget to write the denominator. Look at the next sum. 9 upon 13 minus 4 upon 13. As their denominators are equal, subtract the numerators. So write like this, 9 minus 4 upon 13. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 upon 30. 7 sum. 7 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10. As their denominators are equal, common, give them the common denominator. Write only one denominator here. 7 minus 3 upon 10. No need to write like this way, separate. 7 minus 3 upon 10. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 upon 10 is the answer. Got it? Clear? Now see the seventh one. 9 upon 12 minus 2 upon 12. As their denominators are equal, give the common denominator and do the subtraction of the numerators. So 9 minus 2 upon 12. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 upon 12. Got it? See the eighth one. 10 upon 15 minus 3 upon 15. As they have the common denominators, same denominators, equal denominators, write down at once only 10 minus 3 upon 15. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 upon 15. This much simple addition and subtraction of the like fractions. Only do the operations at numerators and give the same denominator. Now we'll see the word problem of this practice set. First I will read the problem. 7 upon 10 of a wall is to be painted. Ramu has painted 4 upon 10 of it. How much more need to be painted? So this is the word problem of subtraction. Subtraction of like fractions. So like here, 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. As they have the equal denominators, write 7 minus 4 upon 10. Give the common denominator here. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 upon 10. So what is the answer? 3 upon 10 part be needed to painted yet. Understood? Like this way we have learned here how to add or subtract the like fractions. Thank you. Have a good day.